Ashley Garcia, you're a scam. Nasaan ka? Ayun, nakita ko na siya.
Excuse me.
Hello po. No cameras, please.
For this video, I'll be teaching you, I'll be giving out my tips, or I'm going to show you how I direct my models and basically how I do my photo shoots with my clients or with my friends. And yeah, so what's up guys? So I am back with another vlog, and today I'm with Ashley Garcia. She will be my model for today, and today's agenda, we're going to do a public photo shoot, and I'm going to teach her how to pose. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how to pose your models or how to direct your models in case you have a photo shoot. And yeah, so let's begin. For tip number one, before you do a photo shoot, make sure that you establish a conversation or relationship with your client or model. Just hang out first, go for a coffee or a lunch. From there, you can talk kung anong gusto mong ideas ng shoot, what photos you want to take, or ideas ng gusto mong kunin. And of course, you can also ask your client or your model he or she wants to see sa photos. Make sure na yung ideas mo and ideas niya magtutugma while doing the shoot. From 1 to 10, how do you rate yourself as a model?
1 being the lowest.
Yeah.
So, I think I'll go for 2. So, feeling ko mahirapan ka today. Or it's a challenge.
It's a challenge.
It's gonna be a challenge.
My next tip is that, or what I do when doing shoots, na na-establish ko na yung conversation or relationship with the model, I make sure, I ask the model kung gaano siya ka-confident when posing, or sa mga angles niya, gaano siya ka-confident. And from there, dun ako mag-iisip ng mga ideas kung paano ko i-direct yung model. Make sure that you always direct your model because you are the one behind the camera. And additional tip, when you're directing your model, always make sure that they are comfortable or hindi sila awkward sa posing na pinapagawa mo. But then, in the long run, kasi what I do for the first 50 or 30 shots, I make sure na yung posing nila always represents, their posing represents your personality, yung vibe ng photo, it represents your personality, what kind of person they are. And after nun, ng mga 50 shots maybe, I'll do a photo shoot na medyo weird yung posing, and I want my clients and models to explore more styles then. While doing our shoot, I want them to learn then how to pose and how to find their angles. Third tip when directing a model is that you always keep complimenting your models because it will, parang ikaw yung hype man nila kapag nagkakaroon ng shoot. So basically, make sure na your model is, motivated kasi it will boost the model's confidence, and from there, alam mo yun, parang nagkakaroon din kayo ng friendship na nabubuo. So yeah, that's my third tip. We're not following the rules. Ayan. So we are heading outside to do a streetwear, and can you explain what are you wearing?
I don't know.
Mga kababayan, kasama ko po mga YouTube vloggers. Tignan niyo naman po ako,
Disclaimer! Disclaimer lang. Sobrang diverted na.
for my fourth and my last tip, I guess, I make sure na yung posing niya maraming movements. Dinedirect ko siya na, so I want you to move your arms, your head. Kasi yung mga posing na medyo awkward and medyo weird, pero editorial yung dating niya. The face, I make sure na the hands are not covering the face. I make sure na yung eyes nandun pa rin. So, you know when people say na the eyes are the windows to the soul, to your soul. So, I make sure that my camera always focuses on the eyes of the model kasi picture naka-focus na mata. It somewhat parang yung picture nakatingin sa'yo. Parang it communicates sa audience. The eyes can talk. Can do the talking. Well, kahit still yung image. And I think that's it for now, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I am posting videos every Friday. And don't forget to click that bell button para ma-notify kayo every time na mag-upload ako ng video. And I hope na nakatulong ako sa susunod yung shoot. And comment down below if you want more tips or may mga ideas kayo na gusto nyong gawin ko related sa photo shoot or modeling and posing and stuff like that. So once again, this has been Jeo signing off.